Namaste Sadavatsale Matrabhume. Now we are talking, today we are talking about the statement given by Pak Prime Minister Mr. Imran Khan regarding Prime Minister Modi. And in each and every talk, when he was giving an interview to the New York Times, he said that whatever the situation is of Pakistan, that is given by the Indian Prime Minister Modi. Especially he was talking about the Pakistan US relation, Pakistan Afghan relation, Pakistan Gulf countries relation, especially the Saudi Arabia and UAE, and he was talking about the relation between India and Pakistan, relation between India and European countries. He was of the opinion that Indian Prime Minister Modi is the very dangerous person, and because Modi don't want to be don't want to maintain the relation with the Pakistan, and for each and every step he discourages to talk with the Pakistan regarding the Jammu and Kashmir matter, regarding other matters of the Pakistan, and he also encourages other countries not to talk with the Pakistan. He was of the opinion that in the opinion of Pakistan, actually it was in mindset of the Pakistan that whenever the US will withdraw the forces from Afghanistan, the Pakistan will play a vital role. But Modi was here, and Modi started to conversation with the Taliban Afghanistan, and when he was started the relation, he was started the talk with the Taliban Pakistan. So whatever was the thinking, whatever was the mindset of the Pakistan was also discouraged by Modi's these type of talk. Even the ambassador of Afghanistan in India given a statement to the Indian government in India that India has to give the clear message to the Taliban that that Afghanistan is going to be a clear-cut democratic country, and if the Taliban will not support the Afghanistan government even after, especially after withdrawing the US forces, then the Afghanistan will not be a progressive. So whatever the progress Afghanistan did in last 21 years, that must be continued, and it can be continued only when the Talibani groups or terrorist groups of Afghanistan will be surrendered or will make the cooperation with the development of Afghanistan, and that is possible only in the case when the India will give the clear message to these groups that don't be don't be discourage the progress of Afghanistan. So here the Imran Khan, he was of the opinion that after withdrawing the US forces, Pakistan will be in the vital role. The Biden administration is not giving him the value, or Biden administration is not giving him the baton to play the role in Afghanistan. Even the Biden Prashashan is not on the stage to talk with the Pakistan especially regarding Afghanistan matter. But Biden Prashashan is believing in Biden Prashashan, Biden administration is of the full task support to the Indian Prime Minister right now, that India can play a vital role in Afghanistan. So in this interview, Pakistani Prime Minister said, whenever the Prime Minister Modi will go from the seat of Prime Minister in India, the relation with all these issues will be better in situation, in conditions, with even with the whatever will be the Indian government, with the Gulf countries, with the European countries, especially 2 days ago, when there was a scheduled meeting, there was a scheduled talk of Pakistan with the UK. He denied to go there. Why? Because he was of the opinion that whatever the treatment given by the UK to the Indian government is not giving that treatment to the Pakistan counterpart. That is why the Pakistan is not in the situation to make the agreement, make the treaty with the UK. Why? Because he was of the opinion that whatever the treatment is given by the Boris Johnson to the Indian Prime Minister Modi, they must have to give the same type of treatment to the Pakistan counterpart. But it is not possible, because where is the Pakistan? What is the circumstance of the Pakistan? Progress report of the Pakistan. Even the world can't give, world don't want to give the loans to the Pakistan, don't want to make the economic relations with the Pakistan, don't want to make the business or trade with the Pakistan. Why? That is why FATF already continued Pakistan in the grey list of the worldwide FATF list. So it is a very important statement given by the Imran Khan, that Indian PM Narendra Modi, whenever Narendra Modi will go from the seat, then the relation of Pakistan will be continued. This statement is saying that whatever the Indian people decided to choose Modi government again, that was a right path and right decision of the Indian persons and Indian person. In my opinion, in 2024 also Modi government is coming in force, and the Pakistan is going, or Pakistan is on the stage or the critical stage of splitting in 3 or 4 parts. So Pakistan can't remain united if the Modi will be here. But his opinion is this, that if Modi has been gone, Modi will have gone from here, then the Pakistan will come in the glory whatever it was 15 or 20 years ago, during the time of Congress government in India, during the time of different other governments in India. So I think that Pakistan PM's statement is the correct statement to the New York Times. Even the Dawn is reprinted it, Indian Hindustan Times is reprinted it. So in my opinion, the Prime Minister Modi is on the right path, and whatever the decision he is making, whatever decision he is doing, he is not right now in very explosive way. You can't see the things in open market. Whatever the thing is going on with the Pakistan, these all are the game plan. They are playing on the game plan given by the Indian Prime Minister Modi, and the foreign policy of the Modi is like that. Pakistan is going down and down and down, or even on the splitting stage. And the China, they are losing their economy, they are losing their worldwide relations, they are losing their existence, they are losing their market, they are losing their one road, one initiative or one belt project, or they are losing their ambition to be a global player, global big player of the world. So thanks to the Modi, and thanks to the Indian government, thanks to the Indian diplomats, those are playing a vital role. Thank you very much.